guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing today's video, welcome to my channel. I normally do a bunch of hair videos and some vlogs here and there. But today's video, as you saw from the title, is going to be a wig install, and it's from Geeta Hair. So I haven't opened the package. This is the first time I'm opening it on camera. This is what it looks like in here. I got a melt band here with their brand name on it. Here is the wig, and then we have, oh, this is cute. I've never gotten this package before. These are like little makeup sponges, so you can like pop your powder, and I'd be going through these. So thank you, Geeta Hair. Then we have a satin bag to keep the wig in. There's some lashes and this comb that looks kind of dimensional here. Here's how the wig is made. You can see the inside. You got the 13x4 lace here. They went ahead and sent the wig over with a already middle part. We have an adjustable elastic band, and then they have the combs on the side too. Now this wig, as you can see, is already pre-curled. Look how bouncy that is though. And it's actually, that 250 density, it is nice and full. I appreciate that. I can see that the fronts are short, so you are gonna get that real curtain bang effect. What I'm gonna do though is I'm probably gonna do just a little light blow dry and then add my own curls, because that's just what I like to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and get it installed. It says that it's pre-plugged. I know we might have to do some more plucking to it, or maybe not. We might be able to wear it just like it is. Who knows? The lace has a little bit of a tint to it. I do have my bronzer here just in case, to make sure. Let's go ahead and get started with this install process, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what I think about the quality of the hair and how the install went.
But none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, it's chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist slut the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting expensive. Hearing me out for once but required you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just left them, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn, they back bands with me in the back. When I wasn't active, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. But that come on being attacked, so how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's your place. Just take our time to waste it.
We comb out the curls. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the comb that they sent me to comb them out, and then we'll see if we need to add layers and go back in and recurl anything and just, you know, style it up to your liking, right? Alright guys, I have finished my hair. Here is the finished look with the curls and the layers, lace install. It was looking really seamless. Overall, I do like this unit. I love the density of it. I think it's very full. It's very soft hair. It's holding the curl really well. There was some shedding, but I did do plucking and a lot of combing and the cutting. So I still feel like the shedding was minimum. I like that it's long and still thick, you know. I feel like when you get longer hair, normally it starts to thin out a little bit. That's not the case with this one. The lace was easy to install. And I would say that it blended into the skin pretty well. I opened up my parting space a little bit since it does come with these bangs. What do you call these? Curtain bangs. You might have to do a little bit of finesse in there with like cutting the layers and stuff just so it styles how you want it to. Like that's why I cut the layers in there, but unless you can wear it like it is, you don't have to do that. But anyways, overall, I rate this wig a good 9 out of 10. It's cute. I'm definitely going to be rocking it this fall. It's like the perfect length for the fall and winter as well. So you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments. And also let me know if you ever tried hair from Geeta Hair. I've tried them one time before and I liked the quality of that wig as well. I'll link it in the cards. as well as in the description bar below too, so y'all can see that video. But overall, I have good experiences with their hair, so I would definitely recommend trying them out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Geeta Hair for sending today's unit over. I hope y'all enjoyed today's install. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me on YouTube. Thank you to the new subscribers here, viewers that are still sticking with me, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.